Hi, I'm Diana Mins-Chen. I'm a trance channel and a channeling teacher. I've been professionally channeling since 1986, and I've been teaching channeling since 1988. Today I'm going to show you a demonstration. Step by step, I'm going to tell you what I'm doing as I connect to one of my spirit guides, Michael the Archangel. Now, at one point, I'm going to merge so much with Michael that I'm not going to be able to speak to you, but at that point, probably Michael will say something to you. Understand that channeling is a skill that I've learned, and you can learn it too. All right, so let's get going. I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to start to breathe deeply. And usually before I channel, I clear my energy field and I meditate so that I'm in a very calm state, a very centered state. All right, so now I'm settling in. I'm starting to feel my breath a little bit more. Now, in my mind, with my clairaudience, I'm going to say, Michael, the Archangel, please come. That's very important. I am focusing on only Michael. I trust Michael. I've had a relationship with Michael for many years. So now, as I'm reaching out to Michael, he's coming to me energetically. How I know that is I'm starting to see his light. I know what his light looks like clairvoyantly. I'm starting to feel his light clairsentiently, like a physical sensation in my third eye. And now he's starting to fill up my energy field with his energy field, which is what happens. I'm permitting him to merge with me, and we all can decide how much we want to merge with a spirit guide. That's our decision. I'm starting to feel his energy on my back like wings, like I have wings. That's another clairsentient signal. So I'm starting to feel that, and I'm beginning to feel my energy field get bigger. I'm just asking Michael as he comes in to clear my energy of anything that might still be lingering. So I'm as clear as can be. Michael's very good at clearing blocks and stuff like that. All right, now he's coming into the center of me more. Again, I can feel that. I can feel a little bit more heat in my body. Again, clairsentience. And as he comes in, I'm getting more and more expanded. That means my energy field is getting bigger. I can sense that. I'm going into more of an altered state, more into a trance state. He's getting very close now where I'm not going to be able to talk in a moment. So I have to go over that threshold of letting go even more. Hello, greetings. I am Michael the Archangel. I'm very pleased to have this opportunity of showing you, of demonstrating how Diana and I channel. And I agree with her wholeheartedly. Channeling is a skill for humans to learn and also spirit guides to learn. So it is a skill for all of us to learn. Now, since you are with me right now, I'd love to give you some energy. So if you are willing, please close your eyes, breathe deeply, and I'm going to begin to bring energy to you wherever you are. So just try to relax and say, I receive Michael's energy now. Here we go. And you will receive my energy in whatever psychic abilities you have most developed. Even if you do not feel my energy, it is coming to you, I assure you. Keep receiving, doing your best to soften, relax, and receive. Good. Now I'm going to start to pull back from you. You may experience this or not. I'm just telling you what I am doing energetically so you get a sense of it yourself. I feel you in my heart, and I'm very grateful to have this opportunity, even though it is a short opportunity, of bringing you some energy. Now, at this juncture, I'm going to start to pull back from Diana, and at one point she'll be able to speak to you. God bless you all. I am Michael the Archangel. And so this is Diana again. Michael is starting to pull back from my energy field. And I feel sad in my heart because I love being with him. So I'm feeling my emotional self. And I'm feeling like I'm getting smaller or less expanded as he pulls his energy field out of mine. I'm also feeling grateful that he was willing to do this demonstration with me, so that you would get an opportunity of seeing what it's like to connect. Good. So now he's almost out. And this is important, that I in myself say, I'm dropping my connection to Michael, and Michael's dropping his connection to me, so we can both go about what we're going to do next. This is important for healthy energy boundaries with the spirit world. All right, everybody, now I'm going to open my eyes. So that concludes the demonstration.